video guys, I will teach you on how to check your load using Globe at home prepaid Wi-Fi. Before continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my subscribers in my channel for your support, likes, and subscribe. So if you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribing. So let's get started. So what we are trying to do right now is how to check our Wi-Fi using the router. So in your web browser, we type 192.168.254.254. Press enter. In this example, we are using the Huawei. So we have here the internet status. Okay, so click login. So when we click login, the router login dialog box will display. We put our username and credentials. Click login. Okay, we try again to put our credential. Click login. Okay, so this is the content of our dashboard of our Globe at home prepaid Wi-Fi router. So we have here the IP address, downloading, duration. Now to check for our load, click this SMS. Okay, so click this one to compose a new message. Type 8080 where we send our message, and then we type here all capital letters, data space val. So in the message we just type data space val for balance. There is a space in between words, data space balance, and then click this icon to sending SMS. Let us wait. Okay, so we have here the message. Hi, as of 2021 May 4 1314.05, the remaining MB of your active promo is 514 MB. So until tomorrow. So this is the way how we check our balance of our Globe at home prepaid Wi-Fi. So that's very easy. So thank you so much for watching guys. I hope that you learned something new in this tutorial video. This is your friend Jake saying before we end, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel by subscribing. So this is your friend Jake saying see you in the next video tutorial guys. Bye bye for now.